Yes, each record goes by one row across. So it'd be the name and then all these different categories.
So are all the cell phones in one place?
No. They're all, I mean, for each person, you got phone numbers. Some of them have cell phones, some of them have primary phone.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying.
You have to look at this at the top. That one says mobile phone, and column U. Some of them just have a few numbers. Oh, that's something else.
Yeah, that's like when you make a payment, you just dial #225.
Yeah.
But I'm saying like all the mobile phones that's on that one U column, right?
Yes, it's
Okay.
U column.
Right, okay.
I think you can sort by that column.
What you mean?
Let me see here. Go to U. No, I thought you could sort it on that column and have all of the numbers at the top or something.
Oh, yeah. I think sort, you got to go up to the top left. Go up there to where it says data at the top. Go right there. Now sort to the right. Right, go left, all the way left, all the way left. Right, go to the right. It's in the middle. Go to the right, go to the right, go to, up right there. There you go. Hit sort.
Found data next. Should not be sorted.
Oh, okay. It won't sort it.
Continue here.
You have to click the value. I think it's what, mobile phones, and
Yeah.
it's under U.
There it goes.
Yep. Go ahead and save that. So
You want it saved as
Yeah.
As a Excel.
yeah, that's fine.
All right. Save as here, Excel workbook. Same name,
Yeah, that's fine.
and it's still in downloads.
Okay. Does that go back to that again? Open it back up again. I want to see.
All right.
Go back to that column. I want to see something. Yeah. Does it have the? Yeah, scroll down a little bit. Yeah, right there, right. Yeah, okay. I just want to make sure it had the area codes in there.
Yeah,
Okay.
some of them at the top were different numbers.
That's why. Yeah. So when you go down a little bit. I just keep on going down. I just want to see something.
I saw 251.
Yeah, I saw 251, 228.
Yeah.
Yeah, just keep on going down. I just want to see something. 251. Okay. So they're basically like all numerical, like
Yeah.
228, then 251.
Right.
Yeah, keep going down. I was trying to see if it's any. Yeah, keep going down like that. I was trying to see if it's any.
There we changed it.
That's what.
253.
Oh yeah.
252,
253. Yeah.
256.
256.
That's Huntsville.
That's Huntsville.
264, 266.
Mhm.
No. 256.
Mhm.
260, 267. Yeah, there's a lot of them. 300s.
What is the total? How many was in there?
5,500.
5,500. Okay.
36, I think.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, well, we could maybe go down here. Oh, it's just showing 5,000.
5,000. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And it's in two files. You got one in the Excel workbook and the other one just in the Excel spreadsheet.
And one's in that CSV, comma,
Right.
separated values.
And there's no way to put that in the CSV, is it?
This one?
Yeah.
keep saving that one. Let's see here. Wow. Let's see if it'll let us.
It's at the top. Oh, that's, yeah, comma deleted. Yeah.
I'm gonna say this one's sorted, since we already have one with that name.
Yeah, and then put CSV on that too.
Yeah, it's got it underneath there.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Okay. Let's make sure here. There's the sorted one.
Oh, okay.
There's the original.
Does it say CSV on the sorted one?
If you go to properties, it'll say.
Yeah, just put it in the name,
name?
right next to the
Cancel.
yeah, just rename it. Yeah. There you go. That way I can, cause there's 3 of them. That way I'll know which is which.
Yeah, I'll do it on this one too. It's the unsorted one.
Okay.
There you go.
Alrighty. So what is that other one? The one on to the right? That's just a workbook?
This one right here.
Yeah, what is that one?
That's an Excel. We saved it in Excel format.
Okay.
It's a duplicate of this sorted one, so you really don't need
Oh, okay.
both of them if you want me to delete.
Yeah,
them.
you can delete that one because I don't.
All right.
And then on that second one, right there to the right, yeah, right there where you at, go to the right. Yeah, right there to the
This
right.
one?
Yeah, put that one, oh, no, the other one, to the, yeah, put unsorted on that one.
Okay.
That way I'll know. That way, just in case, I gotta give me a flash and try to save this stuff too.
You can also, these files are pretty small.
Mm-hmm.
If you have to, and you want to make sure they were saved, email it to yourself
Oh, yeah.
and just, put it in a saved folder on your email.
Okay.
And you'll always have it on their computers as well that way, so.
Right, yeah, I didn't think about that.
Because I don't think these are very big, let me make sure, but
Oh, okay.
I'm sure they're under a megabyte. Oh, yeah, 700 kilobytes,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Okay. All right, man, I sure appreciate it.
All right.
That's a lifesaver for me. I can get some stuff done now.
What kind of business you gonna get going?
We doing this credit repair. I'm doing the training.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
for FES, and then I got my own sales and marketing training that I'm doing,
All right.
and I'm getting people signing up left and right, man.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, left and right. Alrighty, let's close it out.